Green color. Red color. And this is a black color. Capital letter A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Let's paint orange color. A for aeroplane. B for bear. C for cake. D for dog. E for elbow. F for fish. G for grapes. Purple color. H for hearts. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lollipop. M for monkey. N for nest. Light pink color. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for snail. T for tiger. U for unicorn. Red color, V for vase. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree. Y for yogurt. And Z for zebra. Let's repeat learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope you like my video, so please like, share, and subscribe. I'll meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.